Imagine the joy of connecting with your loved ones, browsing the web, paying bills just by thinking about it. Consider the thrill of playing games where your thoughts translate into actions, creating an immersive gaming experience. Is it possible? Sounds just like the sci-fi movies, right? But it could soon be a reality. This futuristic scenario, reminiscent of science fiction, where humans can wirelessly connect their brains with phones and other devices, has taken a new step. Elon Musk has announced that the first human has received a brain implant from his Neuralink company. His company's implant product would be called telepathy, according to Musk. So what exactly is this Neuralink's wireless brain chip? Let's talk about the implantation process. Neuralink's wireless brain chip involves a minimally invasive surgical procedure where a small chip is implanted into the brain, about the size of a coin. The whole purpose of this implant is to seamlessly integrate technology with the human brain, allowing for direct communication between the two. The chip communicates wirelessly with external devices, eliminating the need for any devices. This breakthrough enables real-time data transfer between the brain and external technologies. This small device can interpret a person's neural activity so that they can operate a computer or a smartphone or any device just by thinking. The whole purpose of this chip implant is to allow a person with severe paralysis to control a computer, robotic arm, wheelchair, or other device through thought alone. There are a lot of questions raised about the safety of this brain implant chip. Let's go over some of the pros and cons to see how safe this brain implant is. Talking about the benefits of this chip implant, first, this research has been done to bring people affected by paralysis and blindness new ways of interacting with the world. It also has the potential to enhance people who aren't affected by such serious conditions, so definitely it will improve medical treatments. This Neuralink device aims to enable precise control of prosthetic limbs, offering natural motor skills to people in need. It opens the door to seamless communication between the brain and external devices, allowing paralyzed individuals to control computers or prosthetics. And by recording and stimulating specific brain regions, this chip could potentially restore lost functions such as movement, vision, hearing, or speech. This brain chip could also augment cognitive functions, potentially boosting memory, learning, and problem-solving skills. Continued research may lead to groundbreaking treatments for neurological disorders and brain-related injuries. Second, how about the integration with AI? Brain chips could further integrate with artificial intelligence, potentially allowing for enhanced problem-solving and creativity. This technology will allow humans to communicate freely with machines without having to rely on any external devices such as keyboards or touch screens. This means that humans can control machines without having to use their hands or voice. All they need is their thoughts, which they can easily access through a neural implant in their brain. Third, medical advancements. Neuralink holds the potential to revolutionize the medical field. This chip could definitely provide unprecedented insights into the human brain, leading to breakthroughs in neuroscience. Next, improved ability to learn and remember new information. Neuralink technology could help us become smarter by connecting our brains directly to computers, allowing us to access vast amounts of information at any time. It could also improve memory recall by recording memories and playing them back at a later date. It could also prevent people from losing their memories as they age by allowing them to upload their memories into an AI system stored on a cloud server so they are never lost. This seamless integration between humans and machines is a huge breakthrough in technological advancement. Now let's go over the downside of this research. First, surgical implantation, safety, and health risk. The procedure involves implanting the brain chip through a slit in the skull, posing surgical risk and potential complications. There are concerns about the potential risk associated with brain surgery and the long-term effects of having a foreign object implanted in the brain. Critics worry about the possibility of infections, device malfunction, and unintended consequences on brain function. Second, ethical concerns. This technology raises ethical questions regarding privacy, consent, and potential misuse of data. I'm sure discussions will intensify regarding the ethical and moral implications of brain enhancement technologies as this brain chip implant becomes more commonplace, influencing various aspects of daily life. Next, security risk and invasion of one's privacy. This brain-machine interface involves the transmission of data between the brain and external devices, so there could be security concerns. Unauthorized access to this data raises the risk of potential breaches, hacking, or other security threats. The most likely abuse would be by governments, security agencies, and institutions who may want to use it to manipulate people, or corporations who want to read all your emails and know what you're thinking, which constitutes new cybersecurity risk. Hackers will be able to invade one's privacy by reading their thoughts and recording their memories. This means that if you have the chip implanted in your brain, anyone with access to it will be able to read your thoughts and see what's in your memory. Next, dependency and addiction. There is a possibility that individuals may become dependent on the technology or even develop addictive behaviors associated with the use of brain-machine interfaces. I'm sure there will be a lot of concerns about misuse of this technology. Next, Neuralink's technology could have some serious effects on the human brain and body. Some of these effects may be positive, but others could be negative or even dangerous. So far, there has been very little research done into the long-term effects of brain-computer interfaces on humans. The lack of research means that it is impossible to know what the full extent of these side effects might be on the human brain and body. And some of these effects are very positive when it comes to medical treatments, but others could be negative or even dangerous. Next, difficulty in removing or repairing this chip when it fails. There is a risk that this chip will fail at some point in time with no remedy available to fix it. The implants may also cause scarring around their implantation site, which could lead to other health problems, which we are not aware of right now. So in conclusion, the goal of Neuralink is to create a brain-computer interfaces that will allow humans to communicate with each other telepathically over long distances without using any devices such as cell phones or computers. This technology has many benefits, such as helping paraplegics regain mobility through robotic prosthetics controlled by electrical signals sent from their brains. The project is still in its infancy, but it has already attracted a lot of attention from investors and potential customers. If Neuralink succeeds in developing this technology, it will have an incredible impact on our lives and society as a whole. On the other hand, there are many risks associated with this project, which needs to be carefully considered before any implementation takes place. So what do you think about this brain implant research? Could this significantly shape the future of interaction and independence, or whether humanity should draw the line somewhere in our integration with technology? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.